Yeah, so I keep running out of storage, guys. Let's see how long this goes for. So we have the Mustang Cobra, as I stated. These are all opened up already. We have the Crunch 95 Camaro convertible. And then we have the Vulture Roadster. Let me grab some more out of here for you guys. This is the Screamin' Hauler. It's a 1999 first edition. It's right here. And we're going to get this one open. And it's nice. It's pretty cool. Now we have a Johnny Lightning here. Now this is an interesting one. This is the move-in van. And it says the Challengers here. This is very interesting. I'm going to get this one open for you guys now. This is a nice one. I like this one a lot. This is a John. I don't really collect Johnnies, but this happened to be a very nice Johnny Lightning, so I picked it up. And then we also have the, if I can get it out of here, we have the pin in here. I'm going to put that. Now I'm going to probably try to take all these out as much as I can here. We have the Hot Wheels 500. This is a different variation, just with 5 dot wheels. Let me get this one open for you guys. It's pretty nice. This is just a 5 dot wheels. This is a newer version of the car I showed you guys. Now I'm going to take the rest of these out of here and put them here so that the box doesn't fall. And I'll show them to you slowly. You guys see what else is in this package here. A lot of newspaper here. Slowly, I'm going to get all these out. We have a few newer ones in here too, as you can see. There's a couple others deep down in here. Like 1 or 2 more. See, is there anything else in there? Doesn't look like it. Looks like we have everything here. I'm going to set these off here. Set these up. In this case here. These are the rest of them. Let me get the Morris wagon open. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 open. 7 is the Morris wagon. Pretty nice car. Turbo Flame, number 369. This one was originally in the 1996 first edition Sizzlers, they actually called it. And this was in the 1996 first edition series originally, but I guess they re-released it in the late 1990s in this packaging. That's what I'm guessing, at least. I'm not really sure. It's pretty cool. This is the Chaparral 2. Now, I actually tried to get this the first